lesser whistling teal, 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 Dendrocygna javanica, lesser whistling teal, Dendrocygna javanica, Dendrocygna javanica, हिंदी सीलही, सीलही, हिंदी सीलही, इसे सीलही कहते हैं, इसे सीलही कहते हैं, सीलही कहते हैं। इज स्मॉलर देन स्पॉट बिल, सीलही इज स्मॉलर देन स्पॉट बिल। चेस्टनट कलर, चेस्टनट कलर and confusable with other duck of same size, rail-like flight, rail-like flight, rail-like flight, which is distinctive. It is found in small flocks. It is found in small flocks of 10 to 15 on all floating in vegetation covered with algae. Now we are seeing this lesser whistling teal or Dendrocygna javanica in pond of Kukepura, Bijoli Vakeva Itawa. Very interesting bird. Very interesting bird. They lays whitish egg, clutch size 7 to 12. Clutch size of these birds are 7 to 12, but usually about 10 are milk or white in color. Are milk or white in color. When fresh, but becomes stanned brownish, or chestnut in color during incubation. Very interesting bird in the pond. Lesser whistling teal,